Hello, my name is Farniel Valentino Mangayuk with name 210-504-6054 and I'm from Class B Mathematics Education. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Lesti Nur Pratiwi with name 210-504-6063 from Class B Mathematics Education 2021.
Hello guys, my name is Dhira Syahlafandi with NIM 210546059. I'm from Class B.
Hello guys, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Putri Indah Wahyuni with NIM 210-504-6050 from Mathematics Education Class B 2021.
Okay, so I will explain the definition of logic. The term logic comes from the word logos or Greek, which means words, speech, thoughts as a whole, or it can also contain the meaning of science. Yang artinya, istilah logika berasal dari kata logos atau Yunani yang berarti kata-kata, ucapan, pikiran secara keseluruhan, atau bisa juga mengandung arti dari ilmu pengetahuan. Logic is a method and principles that can clearly separate right reasoning from wrong reasoning. Yang artinya, logika adalah metode dan prinsip yang dapat dengan jelas memisahkan penalaran yang benar dari penalaran yang salah. For the mathematical, logic itself will be explained by the next presenter.
Okay, let's go to the first part, statements. A statement is a sentence that has a logical, which refers to the truth, value of true or false, but not the same time right and wrong. In other words, a statement is a sentence whose truth value can be determined, namely true or false. For example, a flat-shaped square has 4 vertices. The statement is true. The value of x that exceeds 2x equals 10 is 6. This statement is false. Keep in mind that every statement is a sentence, but not every sentence is a statement. Sentences that are not statements cannot be determined, such as interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamation sentences. Okay, next, the second part, open sentence. An open sentence is a sentence that cannot be determined its truth value because it still doesn't load the variable. A variable is a symbol used to present an arbitrary member of a universe of thought. For example, of an open sentence are number 1, 3x plus 3 equals 7. Number 2, 2 logs x equals 1. Open sentence can turn into a statement if the variable is replaced by a constant, which is a symbol that represents a member of a universe of speech. Open sentences can also be converted into statements by using quantifiers. Alright, the third part is connecting words of logic and denial. If there are 2 or more statements, we can form a new statement by using logical conjunctions. The statements that are formed using logical conjunctions are called compound statements or compositional statements, while the statements that make up compound statements are called compound statement components. The truth value of a compound statement is only determined by the truth value of its constituent components and is not required to have a relationship between its constituent components.
Conjunction. Conjunction are statements that are formed from 2 statements P and Q, which are strung together using the conjunction and.
Next, disjunction. A disjunction is a statement that is formed from 2 statements P and Q, which are strung together using the conjunction or. The disjunction of the statement P and the statement Q is denoted as follows. For example, we will construct a disjunction of the following 2 constituents. P, there is electronic media. Q, there is print media. The disjunction of the two statements is as follows. P or Q, there is an electronic media or print media.
Implication.
Implication is a compound statement composed of two statements P and Q in the form of if P then Q. Next is by implication. By implication is a statement composed of two statements P and Q which are strung together using the conjunction if and only if.
Okay guys, I will explain to you about tautology, contradiction, and contingent. The first is tautology. A tautology is a compound statement that is always true for all possible truth values of its component statement. To be able to prove whether a statement is a tautology, we can use a truth table. For another example of tautology is construct a truth table to prove that statement P and Q if then Q is a tautology. Make a statement of truth table to prove that P or Q Daniel's P is a tautology. We go to number 2. Contradiction. A contradiction is a statement that is always false for every truth value of its component. As in tautology, to prove whether a statement is a contradiction, we can use a truth table. Example of a contradiction is show that a compound statement Q and P and Daniel's key is a contradiction. And the last materials, contingent. Contingent is a statement whose truth value is a collection of values B and S, excluding tautologies and contradiction. The example of a contingent is show that the statement P and in parentheses Q and in parentheses P or Q is the egg a contingent.
That's all a small part of our explanation.
About mathematical logic,
This is a wrong word. We apologize.
Thank you guys and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.